Kwi muthenya wa gatatu nindagire na kimako muno. Mwarikia kuma guku ngwataniro nindatigirwo ngitana na iguru. Yeah? And I saw it as a good opportunity to run. Not running, but running. Yeah? Niende haha uguo ngiuga anaweza. Ngirora uguo ngiona karitho kandorete uguo. I thought it was a snake. Yeah? Karitho kanjothireria uguo gacoka gakehera. Gakanjothireria uguo gacoka gakehera. Gakanjothireria uguo gacoka gakehera. I am a bold man. Yeah? I am bold. So I had to go from here. I took a step of faith. Ngiuga thie haria ndore nucio uranjothireria. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, I have never ndatonganire no thio wa mutungaterio gwitwo Nywethi. I have never had such a troubling moment. Yeah? I have never. Nywethi akenjira, good evening. Nida higire murango. Geturia maru gaberia gwetana na iguru. Because I will not die young. A 74-year-old man, I cannot die. I cannot. Yeah? I am so sure. Eda ukakoya keyboard itu. Because in that church, they don't use a keyboard. He wanted to torment me. Yeah? To confuse me. So that he carries away the keyboard. Ogo Gamini, we have given you that mandate. Yeah? Gideon wa keyboard na ene yole raraga huku. No emo kumenyana na Nywethi uso kwa uso. Todo Nywethi is not a person to give an opportunity to ruin our church. We cannot allow. We cannot. Thank you so much. So, I would like to call upon Moro witwo Gamini Omothe. Have this opportunity. Oko gaidiado. Stupid.